was great for me because it was home-based learning. So being able to start my journey and connecting back into Te Ao Māori, want to start from the basics and having that contact with my kaiako either over the phone, email and our monthly catch-ups, it just really gelled into my lifestyle. So I was actually looking forward to my little deliveries in the mailbox of all my beautiful resources, and then being able to have those resources as well to share with my tamariki. So it was really beautiful. I really enjoyed it. It's really enriched my life. So now I can feel I'm not just saying the kupu, I'm understanding where it's come from, what it really means, and how you can just really recreate or change it, because not everything has one meaning. So being able to make it fit in and actually see the real value of each kupu and how we live it and just breathe it and be, it's so powerful. I'm so proud that I've done this course.